what is a best practice Amazon PPC campaign look like? Best practice. I'm smiling because best practice is highly dependent on strategy. For us, when we're creating a campaign from scratch, a best practice would be, first off, know why you created the campaign and what is the strategy behind. If you don't know what the strategy is behind that, it's highly likelihood for it to be properly optimized. And by optimization, I mean increasing bids, decreasing bids, negating things. It's not going to work. If you're asking me what the best practice is when it comes down to creating a campaign, usually it's dependent on a few things. One, if it's a campaign that is a discovery campaign, the best practice to start a campaign could also mean even that you have 5 products that are different colors and you're going to throw all of them within the same campaign because you don't know exactly which one is working. Also, a best practice whenever you're starting a campaign for a product that you already have proof that out of the 5 variations, the black works best, and you would be dedicating only to that specific color variation most of your budget. Again, it can become a best practice. Usually one of the best practices that I'm advocating for a lot though, when it comes down to campaign creation, it's whenever you're creating a campaign, each campaign should have only the one ad group, especially if this is sponsored product campaign, because that way you have the most control when it comes to budget restriction and budget allocation as well. When it comes to sponsor brand, you could create one ad group. What we love to do here in ScaleWave, we create just like one campaign and then with one ad group for sponsor brands. It took a lot of time until it was approved and so on and so forth. So now the best practice is that when we are creating these campaigns, the sponsor brand campaign specifically, and it's a video ad, for example, we would be adding multiple ad groups and the multiple different creatives within each ad group, and then we will see where does the spend go. And that is going to become a clear sign or data mining technique that we're using in order to discover which creatives are not performing. We are not looking for the creatives that are performing, we are looking for the creatives that are not performing or not performing as expected, because those are the ones that we would be pausing, and maybe if we have additional budget, test them in their own campaigns.